this video, we will learn about the basics of Pandas Library. So, first of all, we have to understand what is a Pandas Library and why we use it. Pandas Library basically is a powerful and open source Python library that is widely used for data manipulation and analysis. It provides high performance, easy to use data structure and data analysis tool, and that make working with the unstructured data, structured data much more efficient. It's work on structured data, not on unstructured data. So we have to, first of all, we have to prepare our mind in that way. Okay. So now there are some important topics. First, data structure, in which we learn about the series. We will learn series and DataFrame, understanding series object and everything. Then we move towards into data integration and data and output, in which we check the how to import the data. I mean, how to read the data from multiple ways, CSV, Excel, or databases, and how to write data, means how to export the Excel file and the CSV file in the Pandas Lab. Then we will go for the data handling and data cleaning and preparation. In it, we will handle missing values, identify missing value, and remove the missing values. Then we will go data type conversion, removing. In fourth chapter, we will learn data manipulation, that how we selection and filtering, sorting, grouping and aggregation, merging and joining. Then we go toward the data analysis, in which we learn mean, mode, median, and descriptive statistics and applying functions, or row-wise function using apply and wrap method. Then we will work on the time series data, create data line indexes, time series analysis, basic plotting, and more things we can use. But first in this video, I think we will cover only the data structures, and the data structures we will learn the series and data frame. So first of all, we have to understand what is a series in the database. What is a series in the Pandas? This series is a one-dimensional level array which is capable of holding any type data, means integers, float, string, Python object, etc. It is like a single column in a separate sheet or a list with an associated index. For example, the actual value data stored in the series, like just create a series. So we will be creating series by using the pd.series. So before using the any pandas function, we have to import the pandas library. Import pandas as pd, run the cell, and it runs successfully. Now I am using the variable data, in which I make a pd.series, and I make a series in a array. So I have seen that the series have a single one-dimensional label array, which is capable of holding any type of data, integers, string, and any other type of data. So we are using the pd.series function, in which we will pass the array, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. Okay, so now I have using and calling this function, and we calling a variable, and you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this. Okay, so let's make an more array, and names array, names series pd dot series. Okay, Hamza, John, Ali. Okay, and just call this. Let's call it. Basically, this is the technique to build the series of the series in the pandas. So you can see that in this example we build a series by using the array or list. So we can also make the series by using the dictionary. So let's create the dictionary series. Dictionary series. Okay, so let's create. For example, I am creating the series. I'm just name it a dict series. So okay, so and which contain the series dot this. Okay, so in this I have passed as a dictionary as a parameter in which the ABC is the key and the 1 to 3 is the values. Okay, so let's check out this. Okay, so you have seen, we can see that the in the previous series, in the previous name series, the indexings mean the index are 0, 1, 2 by default. Okay, but now the key is considered as the index and 1 is considered as values in the dictionary in the series. Okay, you can also make this type of series by using this menu. Okay, series 1 dot series. Okay, so and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now enter the index. Okay, you can also make it in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the index is A, B, A, B, C, D, E. Now you can see. So it's look like the same as dictionary. So this is a series uh, in a pandas, which contains the one-dimensional array or one-dimensional array by using the list, theory by using list, dictionary, and any other things. Okay. So now we have to know about the how to access a specific element in the series. For example, I want to access the B element, mean the second element of the second. Okay, first the series or array. We know that you know about the Python, so you know that the indexing will start from 0. Okay, so it's mean that number 1 is 0, 1, and 2. For example, if you want to access the second value, means the index of the second value is 1 because the indexing start from 0. Okay, so I want to access the third value, means the second index second. So I just make a square bracket in front of series name and write the second, means I'm mixing the third value. Okay, so okay, so it seems to be near future warning. Okay, so ignore the future warning, but just it's check the answer and it will give you answer 3. Okay, so I think if I print this, why this is not different wall you have, and this printer same not matter a lot. Okay, so you can also access the series. You can also access series by using the index of the series. Okay, index number. But now we have seen, if you want to don't know about the series number, I will know about the index name of the series. For example, you know about the index of the specific element, so you can easily access just writing the name of the index name. Okay, so yes, you can see that you can also access by writing the 2, and you can also access by using the index number, and by you are also access the index name. Okay, so but for example, if you want to access from 0 index to 5 index, so how can you do this? So you can do easily ways. 0, so you use the colon, means the 0 2 and where 3. So it will provide you 0 to 3, and it will consider the first element included and the last element is excluded. Means if you saying that please give me the 0 to 3 element, means you're giving there 0, 1, 2 element. And last three is not about not included in the indexing. Okay, means the end value is not included in the answer. So you can easily access by using this method. So now we have understand that how to access the element and how to make a series and with different sources illustration. Now we have to understand that how to make the data frame. This is very important topic in the uh, Pandas library because everything in the uh, Pandas library and when we use the Pandas library, so we talk about the structured data, not unstructured data. So basically, the Pandas library in the Pandas library, basically the data frame is a two-dimensional array. You can say means the label data structure, label and tabular data structure with labeled row and column means the you can see that the it would not contain any row and column. It's not a row. It's A B C is the index. Okay, so there is no row. It's just only a single column. Okay, not a multiple columns and multiple row. So in the data structure in the data frame, we will talk about the multiple column and row. The data will be labeled in the row and column. Okay. For example, we can make our data in dictionary in this way. In this way. So you can see that the name means name contain the key. Name key contain all the values of the names in the array format. Same age and same city. So if we print this, if we print this, so it looks like unstructured form, but we want to make it in a structured form. So how could we do it? How can we do it? We can easily do it by using the pandas function, which is data point. So we can easily do it just passing the data variable name as a parameter, and I am storing it in a variable which is yes. Just let's print it. So you can see that now the data is in a proper format way, means the proper structured format way. And each row represents a single observation and record. And each column represents a feature or a variable. And you can also see the index, which is a label for the row, column labels for the columns. Means 0, 1 are the labels for the rows, and the name, image, city are the labels of the columns. Okay. So you can easily make the from this. So now you have seen that I have made this from the dictionary of the list. When I add dictionary, I make a dictionary in which values are in the list. But you can also make it by using the list and then in every element in the list has a dictionary. Just like this, I am showing you. I can show you. I will show you. Means I am creating a list. List contains the values like this. So you can see that previously we have made a dictionary, and in this dictionary we use the name, age, city, keys, and their value are present in the list. But now we made a list, and the list contains the many dictionaries, which contains the single key values. Okay, just to make it also in a pd dot data frame and kilo data names the data 2 and tf make 2. So the differentiate from 1, and now call it ratio. Now run it. Okay. So now we can easily check out the data pane, and this looks like same as above. So we can use the dictionary of list and also use a list of dictionary. So it will give you the same result. Okay. So now we have to understand, we have to learn that how to access a specific column in a data frame. Data. Okay. So I want to access a age column. So I just place square bracket and write the name of the column. And now you can see that it will give me a age column. You can now check the age of the data. You can also access by using the many or small columns like city and other names using the name. So you can easily access the specific column by using the name. Okay. So, but if you want to access by using the index, so how can we do this? So we use the log and ilog functionality. We use the log and ilog function. Or slide indexing, we use ilog and log function. Log basically work as work by position, sorry, the label, next label, works by index level, and ilog works by index position, I think. Yes, position. So let's understand the, for example, we have on we have learned that the log by index level. So now you can see means if we want to check the zero row of the index, means the zero row. So you can use dot log and write the row name. For example, if you want to check the 2, so you can do this. This way you can check the 0 to 2 rows. So if you run it 0 to 1, so it will give you 0 to 1. And if you give you a nothing and write a -1, so it will give you nothing. I will tell you why. I think it will give some result. Okay, so it will reverse the whole, means that first starting, ending, and then the how reverse or anything more. For example, I want in this means 0 to 1 means in this case I'm not defining that from this starting point, means if I don't tell the starting point, so it will uh, consider it as 0. Okay, so this is a law functionality in which so we have used in the series indexing, the starting index is included and the end index are not included. But in this case, in the log functionality, we are using the data structure, data frame. So in this, the starting and ending are both including in the results. Okay, we can use the df dot ilog thing, df dot ilog whenever I'm keeping the 0. So give me a time here. So this will give you a same result. 0, no, go. But now something different. For example, in draw functionality, we use rather starting and ending positions are both included. For example, 0 to 1, 2 means the 0 and the 2 are also included. But in the ilog, 0 and 2 both are not included. Only the first index are included and the last index are not included. Means the 0 to 1, 2 are not included. Means 0 to 2, but 2 are not included. Okay, so this is the difference between the ilog and log. Okay, so this is the main difference. We can also do it more, but I think today is enough for this video. We have to make the more understand more thing, like understand some series objects. We have done it. We have created series from various sources like dictionary arrays, text is added by series, indexing and slicing. You have learned all the things. We also learn the data frame thing like CSV file, list of dictionaries. So now in other next video, we will learn the data integration, output, and reading data, how to read data and write data. So today is enough for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so subscribe the channel and like the video.